Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss objective and descriptive type questions and answers of chapter 2, changes in neighborhood and school. Subject social studies, ICSE class 3. Objective type questions. A. Tick the right answer. Question 1. Rajiv Chopra and his family lived in United States. Who was the father of Rohan Chopra? The answer is Ravish Chopra. Rohan is now 12 years old. Sanjana and Kashish were cousins of Rohan. The movement of people from one place to another with the intention to stay there is called migration. Objective type questions. B. Match the following. Madan Chopra, grandfather of Rohan. Sonia Chawla, wife of Rajiv Chopra. Uma Mehra, wife of Ravish Chopra. Rita and Rohan, brother and sister. Sanjeev Kapoor, father of Bobby Kapoor. C. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. Question 1. Mr. Rajiv Chopra is a doctor. Rohan was admitted in a dash school to continue his education. So the answer is local. People were not treated on the basis of their gender in the United States. Rohan favors the spread of dash among Indian women. The answer is education. Dash and dash are popular in Western food. So the answers are burger and pizza. Objective type questions. D. Write T for the true and F for the false statements. Question 1. Women participate in decision-making activities in the United States. So the answer is true. Indian homemaker has to work hard at her home. The answer is true. Rohan was born as blind. The answer is false. Neena Chopra was grandmother of Rohan. The answer is true. Sanjana and Kashish were children of Mr. Rajiv Chopra. So the answer is true. Descriptive type questions. E. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Why did Rohan become happy? Answer is Rohan became very happy because his father, Mr. Ravish Chopra, decided to spend his rest of life in US. US means United States. Question 2. What changes took place in the lifestyle of Rohan in the United States? So the answer is Rohan's lifestyle became Western. He started talking in English with his neighbors. He picked up the habit to eat Western food like burger and pizza. Third, has your father ever been transferred to a new place? What problems did you face? If not, imagine the problems children face when they have to shift to a new place. So the answer is my father has never been transferred. Shifting to new place results in children coming from various problems like adjusting to the new environment, adjusting to the new culture and lifestyles, adjusting with all the new food habits, making new friends. Going to a school where all students are new takes time in building the friendship. Write about the condition of women in India. Answer 4. In India, women are struggling to get an equal place in the society. The Indian homemaker work lot more than a man does outside the house. There is no fixed work and fixed hours. In spite of this, women do not participate in decision making activities. Fifth, how can Indian women get equality in the society as well as their workplace? So the answer is Indian women have been struggling to get an equal place in the society. They can get equality in the society as well as their workplace with the help of spread of education among them. Thank you.